Today, we're going to talk a little bit about a quick and easy way to check a vehicle for frame damage. Obviously, the vehicle got hit in the front right here. So before we replace any parts, we're going to want to make sure that this is all nice and straight. So it could be pushed back, and it could be down or up. So we're going to check for that. To check the front end for squareness and to make sure that this isn't pushed back, we're going to use either a tape measure or a tram gauge. And we're going to take measurements from here to here, which are our known good spots. This I know is good, and this I know is good. And compare that measurement to this point to this point. So from here to here, it has to be the same as from here to here. First, we'll give it a try with the tape measure, and it is a little bit less accurate, but we can get a good idea. So we got 49 from the bolt hole to this hole. And this should be 49 also, or close to it. And we got 1.5 inches short, and I'll show you that. Here's an up-close shot of that measurement. The other side we got 49. On this side we got 47 3/4. So we're 1.25 inches off. So that means this has to come out or this way. Probably a little bit out and a little bit this way it needs to come. And now using the tram gauge, which is a bit easier and a little bit more accurate. That measurement has to be the same as this one. And you can see it's about 1.25 inches off. And let me give you a close-up shot of that. You can see we're a little bit off. Next, we'll be checking to see if this got pushed down or if it got pushed up. For this next measurement, you'll want to make sure that you have the same amount of air in the front tires and that you give it a little bounce on each side so you know the car's level. By taping a level to the top of the tram gauge, we can see if this is the same as the other side, the height. So we'll put it there. And we're just going to make sure that the bubble is in the middle on this side. And that's good there. Right there. And the other side has to be the same. If it got pushed up, the bubble will be over here. If it got pushed down, the bubble will be back there. On the damaged side, we can push this in or out, but we have to leave these the same. So, get that, lock it into place, and check for levelness. And the bubble is right in the center. So we know that this is in the same position up and down as the other side. There's no signs of damage to the fender apron, like buckles or bends, but there are a few brackets that need to be straightened out. Once we make a few pulls and make sure the front end is symmetrical, our new parts should fit perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on a quick and inexpensive way to check for frame damage. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.